Hello, today we are going to see the part from Glimpses of India named Kog. Kog or Kudagu is the smallest district of Karnataka. It is famous for coffee, rainforests, and spices. It is located between Mysore and Mangalore. In this district, evergreen forest covers 30%. During monsoon, it rains enough to stop visitors from coming here. The season to be enjoyed lasts from September to March. During this season, the weather is perfect with some rain. The air contains the smell of coffee. The independent people of Kog are possibly from Greek or Arabic descent. According to a story, a part of Alexander's army moved south along the coast and settled there. When returned, it became impractical. So, the people from Alexander's army married the local people. We can see that they are from Arabic descent by they wear a long black coat with embroidered waist belt. The dress was worn by the Kodavus and is known as kupia. This resembles the dress worn by Arabs known as kafia. Kog homes have a tradition of hospitality, and the people of Cogs will tell the brave and courageous tales to their sons and grandsons. The first chief of Indian army was General Cariappa was a Korg. The river Kaveri obtains its water from the hills and forest of Korg. Mahasir, a large freshwater fish found largely in these waters. Kingfisher dive to catch fish, while squirrels and langurs enjoy the splash and ripple of water. Elephants enjoy being bathed and scrubbed in the river by their mahouts. The most individuals will come here for river rafting, canoeing, rappelling, rock climbing, and mountain biking. This place is also famous for trekkers. Birds, butterflies, bees, macaques, Malabar squirrels, langurs, and slender lories can be seen at Cork. The Brahmagiri Hills brings you a panoramic view. A walk across the rope bridge leads to the 64-acre of Nisargadaama. After that, this path leads into Buddhist monks from India's largest Tibetan settlement at nearby Bailakuppe. The monks will be in red, ochre and yellow robes are the many surprises that waits to discovered by visitors searching for the heart and soul of India. Thank you so much for your interest and attention.